Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can enable your Google Chat in Gmail account. So you can see there is two options, like one of Gmail inbox, this one, and another is meet icon. You can see two options, but when you enable the Google Chat, and uh, two there will be added two more option here, like space and Google Chat. So how can you enable this? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So that's why you go to here, this option three line. So simply click on the three line and scroll down a little bit. You can see you need to scroll down, then you will see the option settings here. These options, simply click settings. When you click settings, then you will see, if you have a multiple Gmail account, then you will see all of them here. So I just want to enable my Google Chat in this, like this account. So you have to choose your Gmail ID, which ID you are gonna enable your. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then scroll down. Then here we'll get the option in general, chat and show. So this option, so you need to mark this one. When you mark this one, and it takes few seconds to updating your Gmail account, and after that it's done. Now you can see your Gmail, your Google chat option enable, and also space or room enable here. So when you click this option, when you click on this, then you will see that it's available now. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and see you the next one.